Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 29th of March 2022. Thursday will be the end of month. That's the end of quarter. So again, usually that's a fairly flat day, end of month, end of quarter, statement printing type of thing. And then Friday is Friday. It is what it is, April 1st. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. As you can see, we've again rallied back up because the zombies are kind of doing their thing again. Whatever, it is what it is. The S&P cash gains 32.46. So we had a 13 sell signal back at the start of the year and then sold off right up until the last 2 weeks, week and a half, and then we've rallied back up about halfway. NASDAQ 100 also back. 13 sell signal was right at the end of the year. And we sold off on that, and then we've rallied back up again the last couple of weeks. It is what it is. SOX up 21.83. 13 buy signal off the lows. Got that nailed exactly. Biotech's up 20.35. Not much there to look at. Crude, Russell 2000, a little bit dead flat. The small cap's not doing anything or benefiting from anything at this point. Crude oil down $1.30. To 104.66 right now. Gold down $14.70. Again, way off the highs. Look at that red static trend line. That was support once. It could be again. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, negative 201. So just a few more stocks down than up by the end of the day. On the New York, negative 1. So literally there's one more stock down than up. It was an evenly balanced day on the New York. NASDAQ volume was 5 billion shares. We do have the Russell rebalance this week. The VIX closes down $1.18 to 1963. So we're getting back down to the point where we might be looking at a VIX or VXX situation. The trend closes for calls. The trend closes at 1.04. Puts the 10-day moving average at 0.84. So that's still a sell signal on the broad market, which is what makes the VIX even more interesting. Apple up 88 cents. Looks great. Amazon up 84.34. Big deal there. Facebook up $1.77. Google down $4.35. That's a blip for Google. Goldman Sachs down $2.19. Netflix up $4.66. Peloton down 35 cents. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up $1.10, so up but rates down. But again, that's a blip because we've been down so hard here for a while. Tesla up 81.20. Zoom up $3.52. That's still down heavily, obviously. The VXX at 25.73. It was actually up for the day. Kind of interesting. Bitcoin at 47,645. So this thing has bounced back quite a bit over the last couple of days. And then the Dow was up 94 points. All right, in terms of the intra-day action, let's look at the... we can go back to the 5-minute candles. So again, like a kind of a flat opening, a little bit of an upward move, came back, closed, went lower ahead of lunch, closed right as we started lunch. That was the low of the day. Then we kind of rallied back up. So coming out of lunch, we were dead even for the day, and then we rallied in the afternoon. And the NASDAQ side is what? The NASDAQ side is pretty much the same thing, although it was a little stronger earlier in the day. Keep in mind that I'm out of town Thursday and Friday, so there will only be one more market YouTube preview for the week. In terms of economic data coming out for the rest of the week, or not for the rest of the week, for Tuesday, let's just say, housing price index at 9, JOLTS job openings at 10, CB consumer confidence at 10, and we're good. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.